हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। जैसे आप लोग देख सकते हैं, सेटअप पूरा चेंज हो चुका है। सेटअप में सिर्फ और सिर्फ काली चीज़ें और वायर्स है अब। बट हेडफोन्स चेंज हो गए दोस्तों। आई गॉट न्यू हेडफोन्स टू डू व्हाट, टू मेक म्यूजिक दोस्तों। आई मेक म्यूजिक बाय द वे। ओके, सो आई माइट टेल यू अबाउट द म्यूजिक चैनल वन डे दोस्तों, और एल्स यू कैन गो एंड फाइंड इट। इट्स वेरी इजी टू फाइंड। आई वोंट टेल हाउ टू फाइंड इट, यू कैन डू इट योर सेल्फ। बट सिंस वी आर बैक, मैंने मुझे रीज़न देना होगा भाई। पहले सॉरी आप लोगों की, मैंने मतलब अपने 10 सब्सक्राइबर्स को भाई ना इंतज़ार कराया। बट दोस्तों, बिलीव इन मी, आई कैन डू दिस शिट दोस्तों। मैंने 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 घर पे सेटअप किया दोस्तों, घर पे। आई वाज लाइक सो फकिंग ऑकवर्ड फॉर लाइक 5 fucking days कि मैं क्या करूँ। बट देन फाइनली मैंने अपने गेस्ट रूम में जगह बना ली दोस्तों। एंड नाउ नाउ अब वीडियो बनेगी दोस्तों। यस, तो लेट्स जस्ट स्ट्रेट अप गेट इनटू इट दोस्तों। लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट भाई। लेट्स जस्ट गेट इनटू रॉयलिंग द क्लैश इन मी दोस्तों। लेट्स जस्ट गेट इनटू इट। तो एज यू गाइस कैन सी, we are back. I have already pushed in the new season by at 13,650 trophies. So today we'll be playing Hog Cycle दोस्तों, 2.6 Hog Cycle, the famous Hog Cycle. So yes दोस्तों, let's just get into it. जिन लोगों को लगता है Hog Cycle स्किल नहीं है, उनको बस एक ही जवाब दूंगा, मेगा नाइट के अगेंस्ट वर्स करके देखो भाई। Okay, so let's just get into it दोस्तों. Let's just start with our skeletons भाई. Let's just show him what we are planning to do over here. The fuck. Or try not take things really fast over here. So did you see that dosto? Did you see that? That is skills, by the way. That only comes by experience, you know. I have so much experience. I won like 10k battles. That was a lie, by the way dosto. I don't have a lot of wins. Please don't hold me up for lies in this channel, okay? We don't hold ourselves accountable, we don't hold ourselves accountable over here. That's some shit, like true people do. I'm not a true person, bhai. I am faking my persona. Just kidding, dosto, just kidding. I'm kind of like this IRL, but never mind, I'm not like this IRL, bhai. I'm actually worse IRL, bhai. If you see me IRL, by the way, I'll tell you one thing. You won't like me. Why if you want to know, the reason being is that I seem to people generally find me rude for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I have kind of a really bad expression all the time, like this. Like Instagram पे वो reel आते हैं ना, resting bitch face वाले. Yeah, you could call me that. Why? Maybe that's the reason why people find me rude for some reason. I don't know. But anyways, दोस्तों, I don't mind that. It's all right. Like it's all right, right? At least you guys like me, right? Do you? Hopefully you do. Anyways, let's just... What the fuck? Actually दोस्तों, जितना मैंने ये गेम खेला है, I've slowly started to realize you do not play your card when he has the Mega Knight on his hand, okay? मतलब इतना मेरे को realization हुआ है that you cannot play cards when he has Mega Knight in hand because Mega Knight ruins it. You all get me, right? Hopefully you do. Because if you don't, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so basically when he has Mega Knight, you don't play anything. I used to play everything when he had when player earlier used to have Mega Knight on their hand, which kind of ruined my gameplay. But yeah, you eventually grow out of it. You eventually learn things by basically. That's all I'm trying to say. Because if you don't, अरे भाई ये इतना hard क्यों हो गया all of a sudden? The fuck? I ain't gonna lose over here, bro. The fuck? No way. Okay, we either win this or we lose this straight up. He has a Mega Knight in hand. We know that. We see you coming, lil bro. We see you coming. But I'll save my fireball. I know what to do. If I lose over here, fuck this. I fucked up, so it was my mistake, and I take that by. But it was a good game, dosto. Learn something from it by. Use your elixir very efficiently. That was a lesson from that match. दोस्तों पता है वहाँ पर अगर आप लोग मेरी उंगली देख सकते हो, वहाँ पर एक छिपकली है। मेरा एक दोस्त है IRL, उसको लिटरली छिपकली का फोबिया है दोस्तों। वो फोटो तक देख कर डर जाता है छिपकली की। नेवर सॉ दैट शिट इन, मतलब नेवर थॉट शिट लाइक दैट कुड एग्जिस्ट भाई। वेरी यूनिक टू मी, हैड टू मेंशन इट, क्योंकि क्या पता आप लोगों ने देखा हो ना देखा हो। सो या, व्हाट इज दिस गाय प्लेइंग? टॉर्नेडो Valkyrie. I hate tornado decks because it's graveyard, and graveyard has become a brainless deck. You know why? Because it's hard to stop after you use your shit. Why? Fuck! I placed the fireball in the wrong place. No worries though, no worries. Thanks. Why the fuck is this guy saying thanks? What? Why did he go P.E.K.K.A? The fuck? Why is he emoting on me? Why? Why? What the fuck is this guy trying to do? What? What? Does this guy think he's winning or some shit? Okay, so you had your tornado. And what else? Okay, okay. I see the vision, little bro. I see the vision. Why you said thanks? Yeah. Deserved emote by the way. Oh, this guy is an ultimate champion. Okay भाई, इसको तो straight up arena 1 में भेजना होगा फिर. We'll have to show him the grounds भाई. The fuck is he emoting for? That's not how it works भाई. You don't emote on me. Again, this guy is again trying to go P.E.K.K.A. Aye bro, I see you. Ah man. Why does this guy say thanks? What is he trying to prove? Like, is he the goat or something? Just god damn if he thinks he's the goat or some shit, bhai. I'm going to show him who the goat is, bhai. Straight up. I don't wanna wait on this shit. Okay, did I win? Did I win? Did I win, dosto? Did I win? Yes, I win. Yes, I win. Fuck this. Fuck this guy. Tell me now, lil bro. Tell me now, lil bro. Where's your ultimate champion card, lil bro? Cry about it. Cry about it. Cry about it. The fuck. दोस्तों वो बीच में कट आया था बिकॉज मैं घर वालों से बात कर रहा था. Good luck, okay bro, good luck. It's recruits दोस्तों. I hate recruits. You know why? Because insane split lane pressure. Yes, obviously. Well played. How can you say well played? I literally did a mistake over there. Well played. Why is this guy saying well played, yeah? I did not. I in fact did not play well. Yeah, that was well played if you want to call it, by the way. Just don't go recruits on me. I'm scared of recruits, right? I ain't gonna lie. Okay, no recruits yet. I will use Ice Golem just for the witch. For some reason I feel like I should. I don't want to go Hog Rider because I feel he'll go recruits. And if he goes recruits, I'm kind of fucked. I'll go Musketeer in the back and I'll grow upon Elixir. Then I'll go with a Hog Rider plus Skeleton's push. Hopefully he goes recruits. Okay, he did not. Pretty much I kind of wasted his Elixir. Well played, okay. Thanks, I guess. That's all I can say, bhai. What does this guy want? I'm not able to judge his intentions, bhai. Also, I have to keep the Evo cannon in mind, bhai. Ice Golem. I just want to go cannon, yaar. So what is this guy doing? He finally went over there. Evo Witch plus Evo Recruits. And well played. I mean, it's not well played yet, bhai. It's not well played yet. You gotta wait for sending me well played there. There is no way. Yeah. Well played enough. Thanks for telling me that I well played. I also know that shit. Oh, okay. So that was kind of well played, dosto. Hopefully. Fuck. We're kind of fucked, dosto, over here. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, okay, I guess वन विन फॉर द डे दोस्तों. होपफुली मैंने आप लोगों को अच्छा गेम प्ले दिखाया. होपफुली आज गेम प्ले अच्छे थे सारे. बिकॉज मैंने इसको फ़ोन से स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड करके डाला आज. होपफुली ज़्यादा गलती ना हो. ऑल्सो आई ट्राई टू इंक्रीज द गेम साइज एज यू गाइज वांटेड भाई. मैंने वो करने का सोच लिया. तो या बैक टू द शिट दोस्तों. लेट्स जस्ट लॉग आउट फॉर टुडे. दैट्स इनफ. मतलब और ट्रॉमा मैं नहीं ले सकता. सो या थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब. कीप कमेंटिंग बाय द वे यार दोस्तों. लाइक आप लोग जो कमेंट करते हो ना यार, उस पर रिएक्ट करने में जो मज़ा आता है ना, यू ऑल यार, दैट जस्ट बूस्ट माय मोरल भाई. बूस्ट माय मोरल भाई. सो कमेंट करो यार, कमेंट करो. थैंक यू गाइस. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.